Do you want to speak English fluently or confidently? Hello, this is Neha and I'm here to help. Suppose, like I'm right now speaking in front of the camera. So now I'm just going to be thinking before speaking. So, would it be possible to speak out? No, because I'm not thinking. Whatever I'm talking about, it just become like a flow, you can say. I'm not going to be think about, okay, about what I have to be talk. Okay, so it is because it has become the part of my subconscious mind. So when it comes to be become fluent in English, so you have to be make it part of your subconscious mind. And how you can do that? If you remember, when you are just going to be learn something a new thing, it could be like writing, it could be like a learning a new language, or learning to drive. And when we talk about the learning swimming, something like that, there could be a lot of things. So at first, when you are just going to be learn some new things, then you have to be pay attention, and it will become automatically. You are going to pay attention on that particular thing automatically. And it is because your subconscious mind at that time is not prepared for that. Your subconscious mind has no trend right now, and that's why you are just going to be pay attention on that. But gradually, when you are just going to be repeat those things in your life again and again over, then it will become the part of your life. It will become the part of your routine or your daily activities. And it will happen when you are just going to be repeat it again and again over. So how you can train your subconscious mind? That is the repetition. You have to be repeat something whatever you want to learn. But because we are talking about how we can be fluent in English, so you have to be train your mind, and you have to be repeat phrases, sentences, grammar structure again and again over, so that your subconscious mind could be become like the could be familiar with some particular words and the sentences as well. So you are just going to be repeat again and again over. That is the most important and the crucial thing we have to be do here to train our subconscious mind. Whatever you have learned so far, you have learned all those things because of the repetition. Like when you talk about our native language, so we learn that. But how we are so good at that? It is because repetition. We have repeated those phrases, those sentences. We have listened to them again and again over. And that's why those phrases, that particular native language has become the part of our life. It is like you are not going to make any mistake at that, right? It is because the repetition. So when it comes to be become fluent in English, it is the same as the any other language. It is the same like you are just going to be learning something, driving, swimming. You are learning something like cooking as well, whatever you are learning. So at first you are just going to be pay attention on that, but gradually you are going to be repeat those things again and again over in your life, so it will become the part of your subconscious mind. And we already know that our subconscious mind has the power. Our subconscious mind is the most powerful thing in our life, or when we talk about the whole universe. So, our subconscious mind has the potential to retain things, to keep things secure, whatever you are learning. If you are just going to be repeat those things again and again over, it will become part of your life. It will become pattern of your mind. And that's why you have to be keep in mind. Then you have to be repeat phrases, sentences, or whatever you want to learn in English. If you want to be become fluent in English, then you have to be pretend like you are talking frequently. Sorry, not frequently, you are talking fluently. Okay, so it will become part of your life, but you have to be pretend like that. You have to be try to talk like that. And when you are just going to be like doing those things again and again over, your mind will be trained at that particular time, and you will see like you are just going to be fluent in English. It will so easy. It will become like a piece of cake. But at first you have to be make a move towards it, and after that you will see differences, you will see improvement in your English fluency. And the another tip and trick what I'm just going to be share here, that is the expose. You have to be expose yourself. When I'm talking about the circumstances, situations, it could be like you are just going to be talk in English more and more. You have to be try to as much as you can. You have to be try to speak in English. It could be like you can make new friends who can talk to you in English, who can talk to you in English, and it's just going to be like okay, if you don't have friends, then you can make new friends online, and they are just going to be help you in that regard. So try it out, expose yourself in the environment, in the circumstances, in the situations as well, and it will become easy for you. That's it for today's video. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.